In an era where electric motors rule headlines and the V12 seems destined for museum displays, Pagani refuses to surrender. Instead of downsizing or electrifying, they built an all-new V12 from scratch. But how do you engineer such a masterpiece today? That answer lies in their partnership with HWA AG. 1. Pagani's mission: keep the V12 alive. The automotive world has changed dramatically in the last decade. Supercar legends have shifted to downsized engines, turbo hybrid units, or full electric systems. Emission standards, noise restrictions, and efficiency laws are forcing manufacturers to abandon large internal combustion power plants. But Pagani believes that a hypercar must connect to the driver emotionally, not just mathematically. A Pagani engine should breathe, vibrate raw, respond instantly, deliver theater and mechanical drama, create a bond between machine and driver. Horacio Pagani has always said, "A car is a piece of art, and every part inside it must speak emotionally." So while most manufacturers look to batteries and electric motors, Pagani chose a different road, a harder road. They wanted a completely new V12, stronger, cleaner, lighter, more emotional, and future-proof. But creating such an engine in today's regulatory landscape is almost impossible. It required a technical partner with top-tier motorsport engineering experience, and that opened the door to HWA AG. 2. Who is HWA AG? The perfect engineering partner. HWA AG is a powerhouse of German motorsport engineering. Established by Hans-Werner Aufrecht, one of the original founders of AMG, the company has developed engines for DTM championship racing, constructed high-performance track powertrains, designed advanced engineering solutions for elite motorsport. Their engineering philosophy is based on lightweight construction, high power density, durability under constant stress. Performance at the limits of physics, Pagani needed more than just an engine builder. They needed a partner who could design a modern V12 that met racing-level demands while passing road legal emissions tests. HWA AG had not only the facilities, test benches, laboratories, and simulation tools needed for such a project, but also the mindset needed to push boundaries. This collaboration was not a supplier relationship. It was a technical alliance with shared objectives. Build the most emotional V12 of the modern era. Meet global regulations. Make it light and efficient. Make it sound incredible. Make it reliable. Make it exclusive to Pagani 3. A blank page, the philosophy behind the next-gen V12. Pagani and HWA did not modify an existing AMG unit. They started with a clean slate. Every parameter was studied. Combustion efficiency, turbocharging response, cylinder breathing, thermal management, gearbox integration, sound character, weight balance. Pagani was clear. This engine must feel like a traditional V12, an emotional, analog masterpiece, not a computer-filtered modern power unit. Key goals included minimal turbo lag, razor-sharp throttle response, smooth torque delivery, elegant mechanical sound, aesthetic beauty in every part of the engine. And most importantly, the engine had to express Pagani's artistic DNA. It had to be visually beautiful, not covered in plastic panels, but open, sculpted, and mesmerizing like a mechanical jewel. 4. Weight reduction. Every gram matters. Pagani has always prioritized lightweight engineering over sheer horsepower. A lighter engine improves. Handling acceleration, braking, chassis, balance, driver feel, fuel efficiency. So HWA and Pagani used advanced materials, high-strength aluminum, magnesium alloys, motorsport, grade steel, lightweight, rotating internals, redesigned crankshaft architecture engine components were optimized using finite element analysis to eliminate unnecessary weight without compromising strength. Even screws, brackets, and fittings were analyzed to reduce mass. This obsessive engineering resulted in a significantly lighter engine block, reduced internal friction, higher power output per kilogram. Few hypercar manufacturers bother with this level of detail, but Pagani does because weight is not just performance, it is a philosophy. 5. Emissions and efficiency, modern regulations versus tradition. Building a brand new large displacement V12 in the 2020s is a monumental engineering challenge. Regulations demand lower CO2 output, higher thermal efficiency, cleaner combustion, reduced engine noise at specific RPM bands. HWA deployed advanced solutions including high-precision direct injection, multi-stage turbocharging development, detailed exhaust gas flow and conversion mapping, ultra-efficient catalytic aftertreatment, high temperature-resistant materials, low friction, internal coatings, computational fluid dynamics and simulation allowed engineers to optimize airflow into combustion chambers, fuel atomization, ignition, flame spread, heat extraction. The end result, a massive V12 producing astonishing power, but still compliant with modern regulations. Something that performance design, built for driving emotion. A Pagani is not built just to be fast in a straight line on paper. It is built to feel alive on the road. The new V12 powertrain was engineered to feel responsive at low revs, build drama through the mid-range, explode with power at the top end, provide linear power delivery, maintain mechanical stability at high RPMs. HWA integrated motorsport level technologies such as high tensile connecting rods, lightweight pistons, reduced rotational inertia, precision balanced crankshaft, racing grade lubrication system, high strength cylinder liners. Even under extreme track use, the engine is designed to maintain stable oil pressure, resist thermal fatigue, avoid heat soak power losses. This ensures Pagani hypercars deliver consistent performance, whether cruising through city streets or dominating European racetracks. 7. Transmission integration, mechanical purity over automation. Most modern supercars use dual-clutch transmissions that deliver seamless power shifts, but Pagani wanted something different, something more emotional and mechanical. The transmission was engineered to provide more direct physical engagement, visceral feedback during shifts, strong driver involvement. The system is precise, mechanical, satisfying. Pagani believes that driving pleasure comes from interaction, not isolation. 8. Sound engineering. The V12 as music. To Pagani, the engine sound is not noise. It is melody, identity, and art. Emotion was engineered at an acoustic level. Engineers tuned intake resonance, exhaust harmonics, mechanical bearing frequencies, structural vibrations, turbo whistle tones. They ensured the V12 produces. This is not accidental. It is engineered poetry. 9. Collaboration workflow. Pagani plus HWA engineering process. The development process unfolded in structured phases. Phase 1. Pagani definition. Pagani defined the engine's feel, emotional targets, character, visual style, packaging requirements. Phase 2. HWA engineering development. HWA executed full CAD and 3D design strength analysis, thermal analysis, combustion chamber optimization, bench simulation, lubrication modeling, and why this engine matters in automotive history. This engine is not just another power plant. It represents something rare and historic. A modern V12 built for purity and emotional resistance to electrification. The triumph of mechanical artistry. A statement that engineering tradition still matters. Most hypercar brands created hybrids or EVs because it was easier. Pagani chose the difficult road, a hand-built engine requiring more testing, more development, more craftsmanship, more passion. Sounds magnificent. Is engineered to last. It is a gift to the entire automotive world. Like, share, and subscribe for more.